Warning! Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone check their heartbeat before reading this book. Scaredy Squirrel Visits the Doctor, written and illustrated by Melanie Watt. Scaredy Squirrel has never visited the doctor.
No!
He'd rather keep a healthy distance than risk going for a checkup. It might be a pain. A few aches and pains Scaredy Squirrel is worried sick about. Pricking, squeezing, head spinning, ear ringing, itching, poking. So he keeps his health in check to avoid visiting the doctor. Scaredy stays fit by doing cardio workouts, lifting weights, balancing his diet, drinking milk, singing opera, solving puzzles, and taking good care of his 5 senses. That's when he sees Dr. Vet's advice. Every animal should visit the clinic to get a health certificate. Scaredy doesn't feel too good about seeing Dr. Vet, but having a certificate would put his mind at ease, so he plans a visit. A few items Scaredy needs to safely visit Dr. Vet: saw, pet carrier, bubble wrap, sweater, sunglasses, earplugs. I am here. The operation. Cut out the bottom of the pet carrier, hide inside and tiptoe to the clinic. And bring the health chart. Cover up with a warm sweater to shield self from air conditioning. Wear sunglasses to bypass the dizzying activity. Flee if you see someone scratching excessively. Use bubble wrap to avoid squeezing, pricking, and poking. Put in earplugs to tune out ear-ringing noise. 1. Show health chart. 2. Wait for certificate. 3. Go home and frame it. If all else fails, play dead. The next morning, Scaredy carries out his plan. Back in a heartbeat. He enters the clinic, tiptoes into place, sets up and waits, when suddenly, he's discovered! Being seen by Dr. Vet was not part of the plan. Everybody panics. Scaredy races up the curtains. He gets tangled, startled, jumps, slips, glides, gets dizzy, leaps, and plays dead. Seconds later, minutes later, 2 hours later, Scaredy Squirrel finally comes to his senses. Every patient here is in good hands. Dr. Vet begins Scaredy Squirrel's health exam. She weighs him and measures him, takes his temperature and pulse, checks his ears, fur, and teeth, looks at his x-ray, explains how he can vary his meals, and gives him an eye exam. Scaredy sees it doesn't hurt at all to get a checkup. In fact, he feels good knowing everything is A-OK. Last but not least, Dr. Vet has helpful tips in case of panic. Close your eyes. Think happy thoughts. Take deep breaths. and try to relax. Scaredy has never felt better. He thanks Dr. Vet and helps prepare everyone's certificates. Dr. Vet congratulates Scaredy and tells him to keep up his healthy routine. Scaredy knows he can come back and visit anytime. Scaredy savors his reward for days. Then a letter arrives. Dear Scaredy Squirrel, thank you for visiting the clinic. I look forward to seeing you again in 1 month for your first flea shot. Dr. Vet. Scaredy, practice your relaxation and everything will be just fine. P.S. A layer of bubble wrap never hurts. The end.